I'm Dr. Brian Smith. I'm the founding dentist at Palmetto Dental Arts here in Bluffton, South Carolina. I was born in Estill, South Carolina, which is about 45 miles inland. It's a small agricultural community. Not a whole lot to do there, so I was coming to Bluffton and Hilton Head starting at a very young age in the summertime. So I married my wife Amy about 20 years ago. We actually met in Bluffton on the May River. Together we have 4 kids, 3 girls and a boy. Lainey, Isabel, Harrison, and Brinkley. We do a lot of outside activities. We spend a lot of time in the water, in the river. We have kids that love to tube and ski and wakeboard, and we have a great time with friends and family around the water, very water oriented. So the very first day when we set Palmetto Dental up, I wrote a vision for Palmetto Dental. And that vision statement has been the one thing that's held constant through the years. It is to pursue excellence in every aspect of patient care. And that's whether they're on the phone, whether we meet them in the waiting room, or whether we're in the back doing significant dentistry or sedation or implants or anything more complex. It's always to pursue excellence. The mission of Palmetto Dental has always been to change lives. It's actually to change your life story. And I think we do change people's life story every day, and we're pretty passionate about that. One of our core values is the person before the patient. And so a lot of times we form these relationships that are long-standing relationships. A lot of our patients we've been seeing here since inception. And not only do we know them, we know their kids, we know their family, we know their parents a lot of times. To be able to form those relationships and those bonds is huge. We love to give back. We're involved in a lot of the community fundraisers. We also work with a lot of the nonprofits in the community, so that's a big portion of what we do. I think we do change people's life story every day, and we're pretty passionate about that. But what I found over time is that with the specialization of dentistry and how it became more and more difficult to get these services done because people were having to bounce around from place to place to place, we found that it was actually much more convenient, and our patients liked it a lot better if we could bring a lot of that in-house and they could come to one place and get everything done by people who really are truly experts in their field. We've brought a periodontist in-house who basically does the implant surgery, and I really am still focused on restoring these implant cases and the cosmetic cases and what we call rehab cases, where patients are really at a point where maybe they haven't seen a dentist in 10 years or 5 years, or they're scared, and the thought of coming in, maybe it's embarrassing, maybe it's concerning. There are a lot of emotions that go along with the way their teeth look or maybe the way their teeth feel or function. And so our goal is to be able to take those roadblocks and overcome them. And we can do that. We can do that with sedation. We can make it actually very easy on someone to come in and have their mouth back to ideal function and beauty and something that they really never dreamed they could have because they didn't believe they could overcome their fears. We've worked a long time at Palmetto Dental to be able to cater to those patients. And we really are focused on being able to get a lot done in one appointment. We can really streamline the process for people, make it much less complex than probably what they've thought it would be.
First of all, the office is very state-of-the-art, and that's a big deal to me. I work a lot in technology, and so having that state-of-the-art office is very important. And then secondly, his bedside manner. He's very calm, he's very confident. All his technicians are, the way they explain things and kind of walk through it with you. And he seems to genuinely care. It's not a facade. And you can read that through people, and there's just something about him that is very easy to like. And I've recommended him to several neighbors, and they had the same impression.
I had chipped teeth in the front from youthful accidents. I had 2 sets of crowns in my upper front teeth. They did not look natural. They stuck out. And over the years, I got into the habit of avoiding smiling when I could. I knew it wasn't right, but I never knew how to fix it. Dr. Smith's staff told me, described to me what could be done, and I was just fascinated. The gum disease disappeared within 6 months. Looking back, it was the best money I've ever spent. It solved health issues, appearance issues, future health issues, all the risks that we face as we age.
Dr. Smith makes you feel so comfortable. He really does. He's just so low-keyed. and I had the utmost confidence in him. They just make you feel so comfortable. They're always so smiley, and they treat you as an individual. I knew that I was going to be in good hands. There wasn't any doubt about it. I had no doubt, and voila.